Welcome to our review of Viralstyle, a platform that lets you create and sell custom products online through a dropshipping model. Viralstyle allows entrepreneurs to design a variety of custom items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and sell them directly to customers. One of its main selling points is the ability to set up an online store without upfront inventory costs. You can design your products, list them on the platform, and Viralstyle handles the printing, packing, and shipping. The platform's user interface is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to get started. Setting up an account is simple, and you can start designing products within minutes. However, it's important to note that while Viralstyle offers a lot of customization options, the profit margins can be a bit low, depending on the products and pricing you set. The platform also provides analytics tools to help you track sales and optimize your business. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Viralstyle does offer integrations with social media platforms, making it easier to promote your products to a wider audience. While the platform's features are solid, there are some limitations in terms of customization options when compared to other dropshipping platforms. The customer support team can be slow at times, and the overall design flexibility could be better done if you're considering using Viralstyle for your dropshipping business. It's important to weigh both the advantages and limitations before making a decision. Make sure you research thoroughly and understand the costs involved. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you found this video helpful.